What is going on, guys? Today we're going to attempt the first start for the RB, but before we do that, let's roll that intro. But before we jump into the video itself, just want to do a question of the day. Do you guys think that the 240 will ever leave the garage? Comment down below. And without further ado, let's jump right in. So here is the RB20. She's just about ready. We've got everything that we need to start. We still got some stuff on the way before it can actually drive. Got everything ready to start. Our air idle control valve is right here. We're not going to be having him hooked up for the first start, because I need to get that welded to the intercooler piping, and I don't have a TIG welder, so I cannot do it myself, unfortunately. And we've also got an intake air temperature sensor that's going to go on this same piping with there, and that's going to be fed back into the ECU, because it needs that to be able to run correctly. But we should be able to get it idling and make it run decent, and that's really all I want for now, because we've had this motor for 8 months, and it hasn't run, so I'd like to change that. We've also got a wideband showing up, and you might be thinking what the fuck is going on here? And you'd be right to think that, because this is just temporary. It's not even there's a huge exhaust leak down there. This is just to get most of the exhaust just away from the valve cover. It's just that's its only purpose. It's not going to be how our exhaust is set up for when it's actually driving once we get it tuned. It will be similar though. I'm not gonna lie, it will be similar. We don't have our wastegate hooked up as far as screamer tube, but it is hooked up with the turbo, so we shouldn't have any boost leaks down there. We've got a boost controller here, and our boost controller is wired into the ECU, so that should be good. So now we can go into the software and we can take a look at everything, make sure everything is set up the way it should be. Okay, so this is the software for it. We've got our ECU connected. And I went through and I changed a few things, on the ignition. I changed it for the LS coil packs. They're allegedly 3 ms is where they're supposed to be, so we'll find out, I guess. I put the firing order. The coils have the built-in amplifier, which is basically the igniter, and the firing order is. It's 153624, but you have to input them offset, so you put 536241. So for our injectors, there's our curve. We've got 750cc injectors, and this is the chart that they came with. Right along here, that is what I used to input into there. And then down here, we've got engine displacement 2000 cc's, it's 2 liter. And we've got our flow rate for the injector size of 246 cc's per minute. We've got our injector phasing. It's set to go with each cylinder, so we should be fine there. We've got our idle control active. We've got that turned off because our air idle control valve is not plugged into the intercooler piping, so it's not going to be doing anything. It'll just be a massive air leak if we leave it unplugged like that. And yeah, we turned off batch all injectors right here. We turned that guy off because that just means that every injector fires at the same time, and we've gone up quite a lot from the stock injectors, so we don't want that. That's squirting too much fuel into there. But I mean, yeah guys, I believe that is all that we need. I think we're ready to start. So now I guess let's just try. Let's give it a shot.
Two hours later.
Alright, so I've been trying to figure out this tuning software, and I think I've got things set like the coil packs and the fuel injectors. I went off of the paper the fuel injectors came with, so I think we have that set. I think we got the coil packs good. For some reason, I don't have it connected to the ECU right now, so that's why it says disconnected, but that blank square that says IS, that's the ignition system. For some reason I can't get it to sync with the car, so I have to figure out that, and we can't get that state to change from inactive. It should go to, I believe, cranking or something like that. It should be changed, and for some reason we can't get that, and it's getting late. It's only 9 p.m. but Martin is in China, so he can't really help right now because of the time difference. So we're gonna try again during the week, and hopefully the next time that we give it a shot, I will have my air intake temperature sensor as well as my wideband, and I can get those into the car, and hopefully then we can get her running, get her idling, work out all the kinks, and then get it ready to be driven. Alright guys, I'm gonna end it here. Unfortunately we couldn't get her started today, but hopefully we'll have her running this week. So I'm gonna end it here. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like if you did, comment down below your answer to the question of the day, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.